Hello, my name is BJ Mayer, and I am a 7th grade math teacher at Northwest Junior High School, which is located in Coralville, Iowa. Northwest Junior High is a part of the Iowa City Community School District. It houses just under 800 students in the 7th and 8th grade, and it is one of 3 junior highs in the Iowa City Community School District. Our SMART goal that we came up with was by the end of the 2024 school year, 95% of the staff will respond positively to a school culture survey that states that they are able to collaborate effectively with staff members. We chose this SMART goal because we feel that it is beneficial and will provide positive data to help the district CSIP goal, which is the percent of students in 7 through 12 receiving a letter grade of C or better in a course will increase by 3% for all students and for 6% increase for discrepant subgroups when compared to the same trimester this past year. Our plan included giving the school climate survey to our Northwest Junior High staff. Next, we then analyzed the data and the results and came up with areas of concern by the staff. We then used the district CSIP goal to create our SMART goal. And finally, we developed a plan which includes giving professional development on professional learning communities, developing common planning time for curricular areas. We also are hoping to develop common planning time for interdisciplinary teams like the 7th grade groups and the 8th grade groups. We are developing the plan to have teachers observe each other, gain ideas, and share ideas in that same time. And then hopefully finish it up by doing a culture survey for staff each trimester. The research that we were using to determine some of this data was a question that we had was, do professional learning communities actually improve student engagement and learning? Will being in class and on time to class improve student learning? And does teacher collaboration improve the quality of lessons? We've had some issues of students roaming the halls and things like that, so we want to be able to find ways to get our students more engaged in their learning, and hopefully that will lead to increased improvement in their grades and scores. Members of our team include Building Principal Elizabeth Bruning, Assistant Principal Allison DeVries, Dean of Students Abby Haywood, 2 Innovation Design Specialists which work to improve student learning and engagement, our Instructional Leadership Team which provides professional development within our building, and our Northwest Junior High staff teachers as well. The data that we collected on this was from the First Off Climate Survey, and that had 9 major areas of concern. The majority of them dealt with teacher collaboration, and that's what we decided to focus on. We hope to see an improvement in the results of the survey data, which we will give each trimester, and we have a percentage that will hopefully increase each trimester throughout the 2 years that we do this. We will also evaluate our Tier 1 behavior supports to allow students better access to the instruction and interventions. We will also review our FAST data and focus on interventions in math and reading. We will also develop engagement strategies for staff. And finally, we will collect data on grades, attendance, tardies, and behavior referrals to hopefully improve student learning.